Welcome to the world premiere video of FlashCut pipe software, and we're going to show you how you go from design in CAD to toolpath in CAM and to cutting in CNC all in the same software, just like we have with our 2D software. So first thing I'm going to do is just go File, New, and it'll say what are you trying to make, and we'll say we're going to make a pipe part, and it brings up a 2D image on the left pane here, and on the vertical axis we have an unwrapped view in degrees, so you can see the dotted line here is at 360 degrees, so that's one full unwrapped pipe flattened out. And then on the y-axis, or on the x-axis or horizontal axis, we have the length in inches in this case, and you can also do millimeters as well. So first thing you want to do is define the size of your pipe. You can see we have a real-time view over here of a pipe. This is a 4-inch diameter pipe with a 16th inch wall. So let's just go ahead and put that in. So we got 4 inches and 0.0625, and let's cut it at 6 inches in length, and go ahead and check that in. And here's the pipe right here. You can twirl it around. You can zoom in if you want. And again, here's your 2D view of the same pipe. And now let's make some end conditions. So let's say this is going to mate with a pipe out of the same stock, both at a 90-degree angle on one side and a 60-degree angle on the other side. So let's go ahead and do that. So we go to our end condition tool here, or the pipe joint shape tool, and we say, okay, what kind of joint are we going to make? So right now we are making something between a branch and a header. We could have also made a miter joint there, or just do a butt end, or we can do a Y shape, or we could also do a through hole as well. So let's start off, like I said, with making a header and a branch. So in this case, the roll of the pipe we're making is going to be a branch, and it's going to mate with the header. So the pipe we're working at is in light gray, and the shape tool is in dark gray, and we already have this set up for a 4-inch diameter at 90 degrees, and then we also have a clearance thing in here, and that's to take care of any extra clearance to get over any extra dross that you might have, or any clearance that you need for welding, and that's there. So we can twirl it on the part here, and you can see what it'll look like. You can even disassemble it, and you can see the fish mouth there, and if that looks pretty good, then let's go ahead and check it in, and then you can see it cut that into our main part that we're producing, and then it also made the 2D version on the left, the flattened out version. So let's go ahead and make the right end condition, and so we just say, okay, we're going on the right side. Again, this is going to be the branch and header tool, and this time let's go at 60 degrees. So let's say 60 degrees, and here you can see the shape that it made here, and then you can see over here what it's going to look like on this tool here. So let's go ahead and disassemble this if we want to see what it'll look like, and say, okay, everything looks good. And that's what our pipe looks like now in the 3D view. And here's what it looks like in the 2D view. Now let's add some stuff in the 2D view as well, and we can do things like add text. So let's go ahead and add the text pipe, and we'll put it right in here, and then check that in. And in the pipe version of the software, you actually have to explode the text. So let's go ahead and explode it using our explode tool. And now you can see that written in the pipe. And you can see the center of the P's have dropped off, so let's go ahead and make some bridges for it. So let's go in here, go to our bridge tool. the other. And now you can see that ended up on the pipe as well. So we're almost done here. Let's go ahead and put in a through pipe. So let's go to our pipe tool again. And this time we're going to do the through pipe. And we'll do a 0.75-inch pipe. And that's this little pipe right there. So that's a 3/4 inch pipe. And then we're going to make it so that it'll just go right through the pipe, through the big pipe. And we'll go here, we'll see how it's going to do with any interference. Looks like we're getting close to the P there of the pipe, so I could actually change the wrap angle. So let's do that. Go the other way. And everything looks good there, so we'll go ahead and disassemble it, see how she looks. And it looks exactly like we want to, so we can go ahead and check that in. And now we have our through hole, we have the word pipe, and then we have our end conditions. Everything looks good on the design side. So let's go ahead into CAM. And there it is in CAM. It shows the tool path. You can manipulate the lead in and lead outs as you want, just as you do in the 2D. And then you can see all the tool paths with the end conditions are all there. And then this is the outside of the pipe right there. So everything looks good. And look at our settings for what we have. Power Max 65, 0.065. Oh, we're at stainless steel. Let's go to mild steel and check that in. And let's go to best quality and check that in. So everything checks out. So let's pass that into CNC. And there we go again. Everything looks good. And we are ready to cut. So we're just going to go ahead and hit the start button, and then you can see it in real time over here. Now we just quenched it, and we're gonna, looks like a few parts are in there, so we'll just poke them out. And then you can see the part. Let's twirl it around there. And now that the part should land 90 degrees on the header. So why don't we just put that there, and we'll take a look there. We'll see how that fits there. And then let's go ahead and show it at 60 degrees as well. And then you can see with the triangle there that that's about 60 degrees. And now let's take the 3/4 inch pipe and poke it through. And there we go. So we have a completed pipe. Let's go back to CAD here. And why don't we just show it around there, put it back in there in the view so we can just see it. And that's our finished part. So from art to pipe part in just a matter of minutes. And that's our new pipe software. And thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you have any further questions or visit us online at FlashCutCNC.com.